is rectangular in the middle and semicircle at the end as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of the garden. So we have to find the area and the perimeter of the garden. Now length of this field or garden we are having from here to here as 20 meter, and the diameter of this semicircle we are having as equal to the 7 meter. Now we have to find the radius. So I'm going to write here diameter of semicircle. This one we are having 7 meter. Then radius of the semicircle, this one we are having 7 divided by 2. So this is the 3.5 meter we are having. Now we have to find the length of the rectangular field. So this one we are having length we are having from here to here as 20 meter, and the radius we are having from here to here as the 3.5 meter. So 20 meter minus 3.5 meter from this side and minus 3.5 meter from this side. So this one we are having 20 meter minus 7 meter, and this one we are having as equal to the 13 meter. Now from here to here, this one we are having 7 meter. So the length we are having as the 13 meter, and the breadth of the rectangular field we are having as equal to the 7 meter. This one. Now we are having the length and the breadth of the rectangular field. So now we are going to find the area of the rectangular field. So I'm going to write here. So area of rectangular field, this one we are having as equal to the L into B. So this is the 13 meter multiplied by 7 meter. This one we are having as equal to the 91 meter square. So this one we are having the area of the rectangular field. Now we have to find the area of two semicircle. This one we are having. So we have to find the area of the two circles. Now we will multiply it by half because we are having the half, that is semicircle, by pi r square. This is the formula we are having. 2 multiplied by half multiplied by pi r square. So now I'm going to write here 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. The value of pi is 22 by 7, and the radius we are having 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. First of all, we have to remove the decimal here. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35. 7 is cancelled from 7, 2 is cancelled from 2. Now we are having here 22 multiplied by 7 divided by 4. We are going to multiply this one. 7 2s are 14, carry 1. 7 2s are 14 and 1 15 divided by 4. Now we are going to divide it. I am going to divide it here. 154 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Remainder 3. And this one we are having 4 here. Now 4 8s are 32. Remainder 2. Now decimal. And 0 and 4 5s are 20. So the answer we are having 38.5 meter. This is the area of the semicircle we are having. Now we have to find the area of the garden. So I'm going to write here the area of the garden. This one we are having area of garden. So this one we are having 91 meter square plus 38.5 meter square. Now we are going to add this one. So we are going to get the area of the garden. So this one we are having as equal to the 129.5 meter square. This one we are having area of the rectangle. Now we have to find the perimeter of the garden. So I am going to write here perimeter of the garden. Before that we are going to find the perimeter of semicircle. the semicircle, we can write this one as the circumference. So I'm going to write here, we have to find the parameter of the two semicircles. So 2 multiplied by pi r. This one we are having. So we're going to write here 2 multiplied by pi and the radius we are having 3.5. Remove the decimal. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 7 is cancelled from 7, 2 is cancelled from 2. So this one we are having 22 meter. So this one we are having the parameter of the semicircle. Now we have to find the parameter of the garden. So I'm going to write here, this one we are having 22 meter plus from here to here, this one we are having 13 and this one we are also having 13 and this side we have included in the semicircle. Now I'm going to add this one. So 22 plus 13 we are having as equal to the 48 meter. So this one we are having the parameter of the garden. Now, so with this one we have completed the question number 3. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 4.